Okay.
Hey, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me it. Give me that. Give it. Give me that.
Gunnar, what you got?
Give me that. Oh. Give me this. Give me, let me have it. Come here, give it to me. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Gunnar, what is that? Are you excited?
Gunnar.
Show your tricks.
Sit. Good. Shake. Shake. Here.
Good job, Gunnar. I'll do anything for that bone. Gunnar, you like your bone? You like your bone? Can I have some? Can I have some?
I feel how strong he's holding it.
Oh. Can I have some? Oh, no. Okay, that's your bone, isn't it?
Mom and Dad, give me this bone today. And it tasted like chicken.